It's time to make the ultimate breakfast. Check it out. What do we need? Our main host of the party. You've heard it. Chicken wing. And not just any frying situation is going down, people. Today, we are making waffle battered fried chicken. You've heard it. Waffle battered fried chicken. It's coming to you. Get ready. Now that we have our chicken all massaged and seasoned up, it is time for the magic to begin. Now remember, this is not just an ordinary chicken. Makes you sneeze. It's a waffle chicken. So remember what I said about this being special chicken. Now that is not flour. You wonder what this is? This is our waffle batter, and it's about to go down. Now we're gonna first incorporate all of our dry ingredients to make this batter really special and one of a kind. So we are gonna bring Mr. Cinnamon to the party and mix it up. Okay, now we're gonna incorporate some brown sugar. Now it's time for the wet stuff. Starting with adding 2/3 cup of water. We're gonna add a dollop of vanilla and keep stirring. We're gonna add just a little more water, and everything you wanna do is really gradual. Add as you go and kind of gauge to make it the right consistency just for you. But it smells great. Woo! Now let's go ahead and add Mr. Honey and stir it up. Okay, so you get your chicken and we're gonna lower it in, and it disappeared. Oh no, where did the chicken go? We're gonna find it. Here he is. Now you're gonna wanna let the excess batter kind of drip off before we lower it into our grease. Okay, so make sure that you have the chicken spread out. You do not want any overcrowding. I think that for this pot, we could add, I'd say, one more wing, but that's about it. While our first batch of chicken attends the party, we are going to lay out our other chicken onto our nice cooling rack so the batter can really adhere to the chicken and will not fall off during the frying process. Oh my goodness, look at this here. Oh, look at that, it is beautiful. Look at the golden rotisserie, look at all that. Woo! Look at that batter, and it smells so wonderful. Remember I told you, if you ain't got no friends, you got something today, because they're gonna smell this coming from a mile away. Look at that beautiful fried chicken in that waffle batter. Waffle batter fried chicken. Don't get better than that. Check out that fried waffle batter chicken. It's going down. Oh, and it smells so good. Oh, you know what we forgot? We forgot to introduce the syrup.